Guys, welcome to the Dip Monkey Garage, and we've got a Mustang in. So, guys, we've got this super cool Mustang in. This car originated, it was a West Coast Customs car. That's super pretty cool. It's been used in a few US TV shows. Demo car for Nokia. That's pretty cool in itself. And then it's come to the UK. It's been in music videos, and it was used by JLS, and it was officially used by JLS on the Eyes Wide Open tour. So some of you might have seen this car was actually floating around the arena.
And it is nicknamed the Flying Mustang, isn't it? So we've got it in for some really cool bits and bobs to be done. Getting the engine bay super quick. Let's have a little look. Right. This episode will show you exactly what we're going to do with this build, but we're going to pick out a few plastics in here, get them hydro dipped. We're going to do a custom glow up in here as well. We're going to do the pixel flow in here, and underneath we're going to do the pixel flow as well. Yes, definitely. And then later on in the episode you'll see what we're going to do that's really cool under here. Perfect.
So guys, also we've got Simon's brought us the Mexibug. It's like a hot rod Beetle, which is super, super cool. This is in to have a DMG pixel flow kit, so we're doing a full underbody lighting kit on it. We're doing some satin black wraps on the bonnet, and then we're also going to stick a big DMG monkey right there.
Okay guys, I'm just going to talk you through this particular car really, really quick. Dan, the owner's just popped in to see us today. He's just had this put on by C, our wrap guy. Just a nice little flat license plate cover there. Just to show you really quickly, we've worked on this car for a couple of months now, on and off. And Dan's actually been into us, and he's had a few select pieces done in this super beautiful tight carbon weave hydrographic film. If you can see here on the engine cover, which is absolutely beautiful, the weave just contours so nicely to this piece. Originally when it came to us, it was just black plastic. Dan wanted to bring, obviously what we are particularly good at doing is bringing the outside colour code to the inside of the bay, which we've done here, which we've matched up. These particular covers here, the battery cover and the fuse box cover, they were custom made in stainless steel, but over time it starts to tarnish, and I suppose you get fed up in the end of actually polishing these pieces. So we opted again for the carbon, the matching carbon hydrographic film. Beautiful, beautiful hydro dipped pieces. They're really tight, really, really pretty. And then again, Dan's just gone in and he's just done a beautiful dress up in this bay. I think it's absolutely stunning. The car is an absolute credit to this gentleman. Again, a few little pieces on the outside. So the fog light covers have been done in the carbon weave to match the bay, and we've also done the rear diffuser as well. But if you just have a little scan around this car, it's one car we are really proud of because it's so, so pretty. officially finished the Flying Mustang project. So have a little look at this.
So come in and have a look. So we've done the hydro dipping parts, we've done the slam panel cover, Flying Mustang, colour coded the lighting into it with the Flying Mustang in. We've done the airbox cover.
This piece is really cool. If you have a quick look, the inside and the other side's hydro dipped as well.
That was tricky.
It was really
fuse box cover as well, that's done. So that's the frontal piece is doing. And then, so as you can tell, we've put a light kit in here as well. So this is one of the Pixel Flow DMG light kits that we put inside the bay. Full 6-piece kit inside. We've got strips running from the back right through to the front. And we've also fitted 2 strips in the front as well. So we're lighting up the front grille and the lower grille. And then to top it off again. Now guys, so the kit we've put underneath the car, this is what we call the HD Pixel Flow kit from DipMonkey. Now we've not officially put these on sale yet, so this is one of the first cars to have this. So these light kits have twice the LEDs, twice the brightness, and they're just next level in the light game. So this is one of the first cars at DipMonkey to get the HD kit fitted. So hydro dip and the lighting tricks are done. Also what we've done a full...
The most exciting part, I think this bit is.
Yeah, we've done a full custom bonnet liner underneath. And obviously, as we said earlier on in the video, this car's got a bit of history to it. So starting from West Coast Customs, Power Block TV, being used as Nokia, JLS Flying Mustang.
And then finished off at the DipMonkey garage for some custom work. Really, really nice piece. Dead happy with this little project we've done, haven't we?
Pretty cool. Getting the history and the timeline in there, it's just pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. So there you go, guys. This is the finished piece.
There you go, the Flying Mustang.
Hi guys, we've got the Mazda back in. On our previous episode, you will have seen that we've done some extra hydro dipping in this little piece here with colour-coded lightning. It's come back to us and had a little bit extra done as well. So if you have a little look at these are really, really cool. These cute little headrest surrounds, would we say? Crash bar surrounds, yeah. So we've actually included that on this hydro dip as well. We've also done the surrounds on the steering wheel, which is really, really nice. And I'd like to give a little shout out to our friend Arthur over at Steering Kings. He has done a beautiful retrim on this steering wheel for us in a matching blue as well. Obviously, big theme of this car. So that's absolutely stunning. Previously on the other episode as well, we'd completed the wheels with the blue fleck as well that you've done. Yeah, really, really nice finish. So obviously of a night time, nice and dark, glossy black, but when that sun hits it, you get that shimmer coming through of the flake and it just really lights up the wheel. It's really, really beautiful. And today we have also done the calipers again in the matching winning blue to keep on with the theme. Really pretty car. Take a look around with it and we're quite proud of this little beast. And don't forget, when this was first in with us, this Mazda, it actually had all the dashboard pieces done in the same lightning print film. We also did the top of the handles as well, which is a really nice little cute touch. All in all, this car's really come together and I think this customer kind of got the hydro dip bug as well.
Okay guys, so Donna's been into us and she's bought us a super cool Renault Clio Sport RS. Really cool hot hatch. Donna's bought it in, we've refurbished the wheels because they were black, paint chipping all over them and just generally just needed a good tidy up. So we've done a nice white base and then we've done a holographic purple flake over the top of the white, so the wheels look really fantastic. And what's a shame for this part of the video is the sun's just gone in, so we can't show you the holographic flake doing all its business. Also, while the car's been on with us, it's had a full graphics kit down the side. It's got the Clio R3 graphics kit, so that includes the stripe over the bonnet, the roof and the boot, and then full side graphics down the side. Also, whilst it's been here, so only have we done the wheels, we've done the graphics kit, we've also fitted our DipMonkey HD Pixel Flow kit underneath the car, so it's got the world's brightest neon kit underneath it. So there you go guys, have a look around it. So guys, you've just had a quick walk around and you've seen what we've done to the Clio. And we've actually got Donna here with us. Donna's the owner of the car. So Donna, tell us a bit about the car. How long have you had the car now?
About 10 months, bought it in January.
Yeah.
I've been saving up ever since.
Well, I remember you buying it, yeah, and it was a cool looking hot hatch anyway, wasn't it?
It was.
And we've been toying with this idea for a good couple of months now, haven't we? We're going to try and put your stamp on it, wasn't
stamp, yeah.
And I was saying about doing something with the black wheels, and you said to do
white
definitely
and purple.
So they're going to be tricky for you to keep clean, but when they're clean, they're going to look amazing. So obviously you can see what we've done for you. We've done the white wheels, we've done the graphics, and we've got the full HD pixel flow under. So how do you feel about it? Is it
absolutely ecstatic? I loved it beforehand. Absolutely love it.
It's give the car a whole new look, hasn't it?
Really pleased with it. Yep.
And it's totally transformed it, hasn't it?
Yeah. I'm looking forward to the next show.
Definitely.
It'll be nice to actually have something that looks like a show car.
Yeah. Well, it's a Clio Sport RS, which is a cool car anyway. Yeah. But I think with the things we've done to this now, it's definitely got, this says this is Donna's car now.
It does.
Well, it's unique now. You made it your own, haven't you? So
take a photo.
And I think that's pretty cool. So guys, there you go. Donna's got a car back. She's looking forward to hitting a few car shows with us in the future.
Yep.
And you've got a car that's worthy of any car show now. So good on you.
And just more work. Better start saving for the next lot.
Yeah, well that's it. We'll make up the next plan for it now.
Under the bonnet.
Oh wait, well that's the next thing. So when we stop filming, we'll go and have a chat about that now. So Donna, there you go. I'll give you your keys back.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Come here, Thank you very much.